welcome back to my channel, and for today I wanted to do a Ipsy bag video combined with a more natural, dewy glass skin tutorial. Basically skin that looks very healthy and dewy and fresh. But I also want to include my April Ipsy bag because I feel like I haven't done an Ipsy bag on my channel for a long time and that needs to be fixed. So I just want to start by showing you all the products in this one's Ipsy bag. So here is the Ipsy bag. It's yellow, it has all these lemons over it and a nice zipper in the front. It's really cute actually. So the first product we get in the bag is a brush. It looks like this. And this is a Vasanti Cosmetics Contour Eyeshadow Blended Out Brush. Next in the bag we have a Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm in Peppermint Eucalyptus. Next in the bag we have a Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Then we have the Balm Cosmetics The Balm Jour Cream Lip Stain in Namaste. And last but not least we have the Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow in Alien Turquoise. So we are going to test out all of these things on the face today. So I'm going to just dive into that Tarte Base Tape Primer. I'm actually very excited. Oh, it is really liquidy. I was not expecting that when I went to squeeze some out of the bottle. A lot came out. So let's just get that right on into our face. It smells a little coconutty. I feel like it definitely added a little bit of luminosity to my face. It is a hydrating primer, so that was the point, I guess. It doesn't have very much slip to it either, but because I want this look to be super glowy, I'm mostly going to go in with the e.l.f. Nourishing Face Oil. And now that our skin is looking extra dewy and hydrated, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, basically everywhere. Take some down my neck, just because my neck is always a different color than my face. Although I feel like my face is getting a little bit darker because it is getting much more sunnier here. And then I'm going to move on to using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. A little bit under my eyes, my forehead, and down the center of my nose. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty sponge, and I will take a little bit over my eyelid just to act as a base for shadows later. I wish they wrote expiry dates on makeup. Like, I know a lot of them say good for 6 months. That's not helpful. I never remember when I open my makeup. I just want them to be like January 3rd, throw this away. Is there anyone else who wishes that they would write the expiry dates on makeup like that? I'll then take my Fit Me Powder with a really big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to very gently tap this on my face just because I don't really want to get rid of too much of the shine. The whole point of this look is to have that like really glowy skin come through. And I think this is a great time to test out this Moroccan lip balm. Get our lips nice and ready. So let's go ahead and put a little on. Smells like peppermint for sure. I'm then going to take a glowy bronzer. I'm using the Milani Golden Bronzer in Baked. I'm using the Milani bronzer in golden because this has a little bit of a sheen, so it's definitely going to go with this whole glass-like look. And with it getting hotter here, I want to do like a nice tutorial that basically is like, hello summer, hello spring, welcome. On a stippling brush, I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Dark Blush Palette and just take a little bit of the peach shade. I don't want too much. But I do want to add a little bit of life to my cheeks because we're not going to be doing a lot of color in the eye. We want a little bit of color somewhere else on the face. And next I'm going to go in with this Quo Illuminating Drops. We're going to use this as our highlighter today. I like to just dot it on my cheekbones. And I'll do like 2 dots on the center of my nose. Now I'll use my sponge just to blend it all out. Whenever you use a liquid highlighter, it makes it so much more natural looking because it looks like it's part of your skin. It really melts in the product so it doesn't really look like it's just sitting on top of your skin. It looks like it's part of your skin. If you ever find that you like went in with too much highlighter, you can always take your powder brush that you're using earlier and just gently tap over it just to help settle it down a bit. And at this point, I'm also going to look at my skin and see what parts of my skin I don't really want to look too shiny, and I'm going to take a tapered fluffy brush, dip into the same powder, and just go over those spots. So for me, I really don't like my forehead to be overly shiny, as well as right beside my nose and on the sides of my nose. Sometimes when you look super glowy everywhere, you just start to look like you're greasy. I'm going to test out the eyeshadow brush now. I'm going to just go into that same bronzer we were using earlier on that brush, and I'm just going to take it through my crease. It's smaller than I would like for a blending brush, but it's honestly doing the job fine, and I think this will make a great under eye blending brush as well. I'm going to take a little bit under my eye on the outer thirds. I'll then just go in with a little bit of my Milani highlighter and glowing. I'm just going to gently tap that all over my lid using my finger and on my inner corner a little bit. And then using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to go over it with the bronzer. And this is just really going to help tie it into the crease a little bit more. I don't have any additional product on the brush. Now I'm going to go into that alien blue eyeshadow. And I'm going to take a nice stiff definer brush. And I'm going to use this almost as an eyeliner. Ooh, it's very creamy. I'm going to show you guys it swatched in case you're wondering. It's very vibrant. So let's just go ahead and use this liner. So that's what it looks like just on the lash line. Definitely gives this look a very different feel to it with the blue stamp on the lash line. And then I'm just going to take my Revlon mascara. I don't want anything too voluminous and intense. I kind of want something more separating, but still that really defines my lashes. Especially with that blue eyeliner on, you definitely want that to be seen. Like, we didn't put the effort in for nothing, so. Certain looks, I want my lashes to take a back seat to the shadow. I'm then just going to fill in the sparse areas of the brow and just define it where it needs it. Remember when I said settle? That does not look subtle, does it? I'm just going to set my brows with my Femme brow gel. And then using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, I'm just going to set my face. I just want a spray that's really going to make all the powders sink in. I don't need anything extra glowy now because we did so much to the skin already. And then lastly, we're going to test out the lip stain by the Balm. So I'm just going to place a little bit in the center of my lips because it is a stain. I'm just going to tap it out. I think because I have the chapstick on, it's not really mattifying. It's definitely letting it be more shiny, but I kind of like it with this look. Okay guys, and that completes this very glass-like look incorporating our Ipsy bag. I do find the lip looks a little pink against the blue liner, but overall I still really like the look. And to give you some quick reviews, I really like this eyeshadow. It's really pigmented and intense. You can really see it even though we use so little of it. This brush is really nice. I think I'm really going to like it for under the lash line. And same with this lip balm. Like, it smells nice. I love the smell of peppermint and my lips feel very hydrated. The balm, I think I'm going to have to definitely play with it without the chapstick just to kind of see how the formula changes and differs. And the primer seems really nice. Like, it was very shiny. I don't even think I needed the oil, to be honest. And it worked really nice and it felt hydrating, which is what we want from a hydrating primer. Anyways guys, that completes this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, comment below for what you want to see next time, and to see new videos every Monday and Thursday, make sure to hit subscribe. And until next time guys, bye!